Hi guys, how's it going? So today we've got something really special in. This is something I've been looking forward to for a long time. I've known about it for quite a while. So y'all hang in here with me on this video because you're going to want to see what's in this box. So let's pop it open. This made it here, I guess day before yesterday, all the way from Australia. So I always get a little nervous when things are shipped internationally, especially this one. So here we go. There's something really cool about this horn. Something that's very unique, and it's a first one of its kind for the most part. So here is a bell. We have one. We have two. Lay it on the side. We have three. Fourth piece, which looks like the manifold. Five. So, well, four for the bells. The fourth bell. A fifth bell, a sixth bell, and there should be one more, and a seventh. Now, bear with me because I'm going to go ahead and pop one of these open. I'll unwrap the rest of this off camera, but I am going to go ahead and pop one open for y'all. So what we've got here is something really cool, and you're about to find out why. About to find out why I'm so excited about this. This is, get it off, there we go. Look at that. This is a pea horn, but 3D printed. So what we've got here is a exact replica of a P5 that is 3D printed. Now, I purchased bells 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4A, which this is the 4A, and a 5. We've also got a gull wing manifold. Completely 3D printed. However, it does use Nathan Airchime's P internals. So that's what we're dealing with here. Let me get all this unpackaged and we will take a better look. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here it is. And man, I'm like super impressed. This is very cool. It's just crazy to me that we can 3D print something like this. So what we've got here is we've got a P0, we've got the 1, the 2, the 3, a 4, 4A, and a 5. And then of course the gull wing manifold. Now the manifold, and I'll put pictures up of all this, it looks like he has separate 3D printed inserts, a half-inch port on the bottom, and then of course you have your various ports on the sides, and then he's got them on the front like a regular P horn has. He also has his own branding on the horns, so at first I thought they had Nathan Airchime on the side of the bells, but they don't. They have his branding, and he has his own style tags. And what's cool is this is the first production model that he's made, so I have number 1 here. So pretty cool. I don't know exactly how to say this. Wellendend? I'm not sure how to say that, but I don't know. You tell me. But anyway, so really looking forward to hearing this horn. Now, y'all are just seeing my first impressions of this horn. I haven't blown any of these yet. I haven't even popped a back cap to look at them yet. I know that they, I think, ship with 1 diaphragm. However, I did order double diaphragms, so I paid a little extra to get 2 diaphragms per each bell, so I can run them with single or doubles. They also did come with a user guide that I didn't know about, which is really detailed and in depth. I'll throw some pictures up of it. So you'll see more of this in the dedicated video of this horn, which is going to be out hopefully tomorrow or the next day. So we've got rain here, I think tomorrow. So I think Sunday I'll probably run this horn as long as it's dry and nice. And I'm gonna get this video out to y'all because I know a lot of people are gonna be interested in this, just because this is really cool. So anyway, with the horn, it did come with all the hardware you need, and it also came with you know, your cork gaskets also. So anyway, really cool. I'm excited about this horn. I will just gonna wait on getting it put together. You'll see it together in the main video because I want to get audio of each one of these bells blowing by themselves to make sure that they're on par with a regular P horn. However, in this paperwork that came with it, he does have the each bells and their hertz. Okay, so he has measured hertz and designed hertz. So I'm guessing they were designed, okay, like the number 1, he's got on here designed hertz was 277, measured hertz was 278. So I'm guessing the one bell was designed for 277, and then in testing was 278. So it's, you know, really close. So that's the same for all the others. The number 2 looks like it's off a little from design versus measured. I don't know. I do have a recording of how this sounds that he sent me before he shipped it out. Sounds really good, so can't wait to hear it in person. It does use you know, the same amount of like air pressure as what a regular P horn uses. I'm going to be running it like at 120. I want to say he said 150 max. I'm going to have to double check that. You'll find out more in the dedicated video of this horn because I'm still kind of learning about this horn. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. You'll be seeing this real soon. Thanks.